Welcome to this property here located in the nice tranquil townland of Gortacurka, Dysart, Ennis County Clare. This beautiful large family home set on in excess of 1.5 acres is located about 11 kilometres from the town of Ennis, about 6 kilometres from the town of Corofin, just the town of Ennistymon another 15 kilometres away. As you see, this property is beautifully set off with these stone piers here to the front, wrought iron gates and pea gravel driveway, lovely stone facing to the front. The actual house is 3 levels. From the back you'll see there's a basement. There's in excess of about 3,500 square feet. You have a massive detached garage also to the rear over 3 levels as well. But you can see the gardens here at the front. You can hear this beautiful stream flowing there at the back. Over here to my right you have this large carport area. I'll take a few minutes on the outside. So you can see here, this will take a large number of vehicles. There's storage space, ideal for a camper van if you need a storage space. And this concrete slab leads down to your workshop here, which is also over 3 levels. And it's nicely closed off from the rest of the site. Beautiful 2 decking areas here, one to this side and one to the other side of the house. You can get an idea of the vastness of the property here from the rear. Just give you a quick look at the garage. As I said, this goes over 3 levels. You have a fine area here, used as a workshop, garage, and we will show you the area now overhead. Fine games room, storage area. And there is another level underneath, which I'll show you now in a second. So you have a concrete staircase down to this area underneath as well. So fantastic potential here in the garage alone, which is as big as plenty houses. We'll take a look around the rest of the site. So again, see all your concrete steps and slabbing going down along. Again, more storage here underneath and concrete steps and escape out. So you've double doors there out from your basement area, stroke this family room. So you can see lovely sun trap here to the rear. There's your septic tank, and you see the way it steps up, and you have beautiful garden decking area over here. You can hear the stream in the background, but it's fully closed off. And so you have a raised area here. So lovely paving, sun trap and decking out from your kitchen. And again, just a quick look out over this fine garden. Now we'll proceed into the inside. So the inside has 5 bedrooms, so it's over 3 levels. It's oil-fired central heating, underfloor on the ground, and radiators upstairs. So we're in here, beautiful stone-faced porch area. So we're here in the front hallway. As you can see, it's nice white hallway. Handmade staircase as befitting a family home of this standard. You can see full ceiling to floor head height. Sets off the house fantastically. Nice clean tile. Windows either side, offering excellent light. We'll proceed in this direction. So this would have been a formal dining area. Solid timber flooring. 2 large windows, quality curtains. Light fitting and coving. Double doors leading you into the kitchen area, which we'll go to in a second. We'll just give you a quick look at your conservatory in fine size, drenched with light, and double doors out onto your decking area, tile floor. Now we're into this imposing kitchen, less formal dining area, in solid fuel stove here. In ivory style will be solid timber wall and base storage units here on 3 sides. As you can see, fantastic storage space even in your island. All granite worktop surfaces. You have a quality range master gas hob and oven here, 6 ring, Belfast style sink, space for large American style fridge, and then further storage. This wouldn't exactly be your utility, I suppose we could class it as a pantry, because you have a fantastic laundry room down underneath. So just a quick look back. This fantastic, spacious kitchen dining. Then you have further area here that leads you down to the basement. We'll go down there in a second, and it's back hallway. We'll take a look at the rest of the ground floor. You'll find ground floor bathroom, again quality finish, granite worktop, hand basin, fully tiled ceiling to floor, corner home shower area, plumbed sink. Here is another family room set away from the rest of it, and get away from everybody else over this side of the house. In solid fuel stove, your solid timber flooring, and your dual aspect window to the rear and to the front, and even to the side. Fantastic room away from the rest of the house. And in here to your ground floor bedroom. In timber flooring, double windows, fantastic space. So that's your ground floor. I'll show you the basement before we go overhead. Here's your fine wide staircase down to the lower level, in concrete staircase. So this another family room, teenager's room, I think used as a music room, and has double doors out onto the laundry area. This is your laundry room then. Great space, plumbing for washing machine, dryer, great storage, fantastic space. And in here, little WC, and this could be your cinema room if you want it, fully locked in, closed in, where all this ground floor could be used for separate business or office. So that's your basement. We proceed now to the first floor. You see this wraparound staircase, a lovely carpet runner. You have 4 further bedrooms up here, large bathroom, 2 en-suites. So again, nice wide spacious hallway. In here into bedroom. You can see great space. Timber style flooring. Fine big double room with ample study space, wardrobe space. And then your ensuite, fully tiled ceiling to floor, corner shower unit, low level WC with hand basin. Go in here and you see this fantastic bathroom, quality finishing throughout, quality bath unit, large corner walk-in shower, low level WC and large hand basin. Fantastically finished bathroom, storage hot press area here, and then this is the master bedroom. Again, great size, great light from that Velux, the full length double doors, and this alcove for storage, wardrobe space. So this was designed to take a balcony to the rear. You can get appreciation of those views out the back door overlooking the Burn region, and that's Mullaghmore there in the background. So fantastic countryside views out of these double doors as they're designed to take a balcony. So just a quick look back, very spacious. It says queen size bed, built-in wardrobe area, and your ensuite corner pump shower, hand basin, low level WC, fully tiled ceiling to floor. So you have two further bedrooms over this side of the house. In fine double room with an alcove here for your study desk. Again, this has all those views to the rear. It's a fantastically sized room that goes with the rest of the house. No small room, I think, here in this house, as you can have seen so far. And that's your fourth bedroom on this floor, your fifth in total. So that's the internal, folks. So folks, you've seen the property, in this fantastic setting, large site, large family home, beautiful cut stone finishes throughout and quality finishes internally. So for further information, please contact D&G O'Sullivan Hurley 065 68 40 200. Thank you.